In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage apps in QuickBooks Online. Quick note before we dive in. What used to be called third-party apps in QuickBooks has recently been renamed to integrations. It's the same idea, tools that connect to your books to automate tasks and share data, just with a clearer name. To get to your integrations quickly, go to the search bar at the top of QuickBooks Online. Type My Integrations, then click the result that appears. This takes you to a central hub where everything you've connected is organized in one place, so you don't have to hunt through menus. On this page, you'll see your connected integrations. If an integration is ready to go, you can select Launch. That opens the integration so you can use it right away, either inside QuickBooks or in the provider's site, depending on how it's built. If you see Reconnect instead, that means the connection needs attention. Maybe a password changed, permissions were updated, or the token expired. Click Reconnect and follow the prompts to restore access so your data continues to sync properly. Each integration also has a 3 dots menu. Click that to see additional actions. Pinned to list helps you keep your most used integrations easy to reach, which is handy if you work with them daily. Open Admin Info gives you a snapshot of the integration's details, things like its status, what it connects to, and other settings provided by the app developer. This is a great place to confirm what data it can access and make sure it matches your company's policies. If you no longer need an integration, choose Disconnect. This stops the data flow between QuickBooks and that app. It won't delete your QuickBooks data, but it will remove access for that integration. Before disconnecting, it's a good idea to make sure any information you need from the app is saved on their side and that you're comfortable with the change. You can always reconnect later if you decide to bring it back. If you're looking to expand what QuickBooks can do, select Find Integrations. This opens the catalog where you can browse and add new tools. Take a moment to review the descriptions, check compatibility with your QuickBooks plan, and read recent reviews. Some integrations are free, while others may require their own subscription, and that's all there is to it. Use My Integrations to launch what you need, reconnect anything that's out of date, manage options from the 3 dots menu, and explore new integrations when you're ready to grow.